Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss about frog female reproductive system. Female reproductive system of frog consists of 2 ovaries, 2 oviducts and cloaca. Let's start with ovaries. Ovaries are irregular, large, multi-lobed structure. Ovaries are attached to the posterior abdominal wall by a fold of peritoneum called mesovarium. In last video, I explained the term mesorchium. What is mesorchium? Testes attached to the upper part of each kidney by a fold of peritoneum called mesorchium. So, mesovarium, mesorchium, it is an important 2-mark question. Right? Ovary also contain fat body. That fat bodies are attached in front of them. Ovaries are located near to the kidney. See, this is kidney. This is ovaries. Ovaries are attached near to the kidney, but there is no functional connection. Right? Female frog can lay 2,500 to 3,000 ova at a time. Oviduct. This is oviduct. Oviducts are paired, 2 in number, coiled, laying either side of the kidney. It is opened into a cloaca. Each oviduct consists of ovarian funnel. This is ovarian funnel, ovarian tubule, then ovisac. This is ovarian funnel, ovarian tubule, then ovisac. Oviduct anteriorly opening into a pore called ostia. Next, cloaca. Ovary releases ova, right? Thus, ova reaches ostia. It is an opening present on the ovarian funnel. Let's call it as ostia. Ova reaches the ostia, then it runs inside the ovarian funnel, then it reaches the ovarian tubule, then it reaches the ovisac, the swollen area, then it opens inside the cloaca. Female has separate genital duct distinct from ureters. Right? In female, the separate genital duct will be there to release their reproductive fluid. This is your SCERT board exam important hints for male reproductive system topic and female reproductive system topic. If you want, take a screenshot.